As a premier manufacturer of concrete pump trucks, safety and quality is in everything we do. There's people underneath our booms on a daily basis. We strive to do everything we can to put as much safety into our product, not only through mechanical means, but through our welding and our steel to prevent any sort of failure, be it small or catastrophic. We, through our quality gates through the manufacturing process, we try to catch as much as we can if there is any issues, but we really instill in our employees in the welding department to see something, say something. If they see issues with the material they're putting together, if something isn't fitting up right, we have our quality department is notified immediately so we can come up with corrective actions or a root cause of what the problem is and how we're going to handle it. So through our SLV certification, one of our things I'm very proud of, and it's one of our requirements, is our traceability of our structural weldments. So we have traceability all the way back to the mill the steel came from, meaning when the steel arrives, we do thorough inspections of it. Everything's documented. We have the certs, etc. As it's cut on our cutting tables, we know which parts are coming out, which piece of steel that came from which mill. We know where those parts are going throughout the whole manufacturing process. At the end of the day, if needed, we can trace back a part on a weldment back to who welded it, who inspected it, who cut it, what material handler moved it, which mill the steel came from, the whole gamut. So at Schwing America's Weld Shop, we have several NDT inspectors on staff. We have an international weld specialist on staff. We have several CWIs on staff. And those inspectors on a daily basis are doing visual, dimensional, and non-destructive testing through UT, MT. We are able to do hardness testing, acid etch testing. So with today's booms being as light as they are and as long as they are, it's important that we use the highest quality steel available. I guess one thing we can do with our customers after the sale, we support these machines till the end of life. Our structural repair coordinator takes in repair procedure requests for machines that are well over 30 years old. We are there to support that. We will not, age of machine does not affect on how we're going to support that machine structurally.